Today I will show you how to solve Wi-Fi problems in Windows 10. Let's check your network adapter. Open the Device Manager. To do this, press the Windows plus X keys and select Device Manager. Find the Network Adapters section and make sure your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and working properly. Right-click on your adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If updates are found, install them. Now let's check the network settings. Open Settings and go to the Network and Internet section. Select Status and click Network Troubleshooter. Windows will automatically try to find and fix network problems. If the previous steps didn't help, try performing a network reset. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by entering the password. That's it. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and don't forget to watch other videos on this channel. Bye.